Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can enter the service invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist that you can follow from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Next transaction is of 18 January 2018. And transaction is packing charges invoice received from Mr. Ali. Now, what are the packing charges? Packing charges are the service that we are purchasing from Mr. Ali to pack this special kind of inventory, because this is a fragile kind of thing, so it needs a special packing. For that, we are purchasing a service from Mr. Ali. So in this case, we have to book a service invoice, service purchase invoice. So this is very simple. Just go to enter bills, create a new vendor. Now, what is the quickest method to enter a new vendor? Type Ali and press enter, then press enter again. And we have a choice here. For services, we can either book it from expenses and we can also book it from items. I'll book it from item, but I'll add a new item and mark it as service item. Type will be service item, and service name is packing charges, and we can type each here, and whatever is associated with the packing of inventory should go in cost of goods sold, and press OK. This is how we can book. Now total is 45,000. I'll not book any quantity here. I'll just type 45,000 in the total amount, and that's it. You can mention any reference number here, and the date is 17 January 2018. 17 January 2018. Sorry, 18 January 2018. Just save and new. Go to the last record, check reports, transaction journal. Cost of goods sold against packing charges is debit and accounts payable is credit. One other way of doing this is we can just directly select cost of goods sold here. We can mention the total amount here and mark it as packing charges in the memo. But this is the more appropriate way of doing the things. You can also mention the description here. Packing charges. Save and new. Yes. Now let's go to the last record, and now let's see how it shows this invoice in the print. Go to print and print. Preview. This is how the default layout is. Date, reference number, and this one. It's very simple kind of layout, but we will edit it in future. We will learn how to totally edit this layout. So for now, we will just cancel this and close this. This is how we can book the service invoice in QuickBooks.